Hey guys, Jason at Harmony Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Business is more like a marathon than a fast sprint. Slow and steady wins the race, right? You get up every day, you learn, you grow, you execute. As real estate investors, yeah, we're fixing and flipping houses and maybe making quick profits, but the real money's made in the long run. Not just because you own rental properties and over time, as debts get paid down, they potentially appreciate, but you learn, you grow, you meet new people. Your whole portfolio, like time is on your side with this. That being said, it's Thanksgiving time, and during Thanksgiving, it's a sprint. Now, what do I mean by that? You want to sprint to the end of the year and try to hit your goals as quick as possible. We all have our goals that we want to accomplish throughout the end of the year, and come November, let's move forward. You got 30 days less. Let's sprint. Hopefully, you've already reached your goals, and if you have, congratulations. Add another goal. And if you haven't, take this opportunity right now and sprint to the finish line over the next few weeks and get all those goals done so you can start 2021.